recording. She got peace. Oh my God, she heard that horse.
Oh. She got the tree. She got the. Oh, beat him. The tree like is beating her up. Dance. Do it with your boots. Do it with your boots. Do it with your boots. Do it with your Boss sound like an old man. Ooh. I think she's stuck. I think she's stuck, Alton.
Oh man.
Let it go, let it go.
I'm sorry. She's still calling.
Oh, she
Okay.
eat it.
I'm sorry, Brandon. Okay. Even to my voicemail. It might be important. Oh my God. Look like she hanging.
What is she doing?
She hanging.
At first she was stuck. Oh, she fell.
Is that it? Am I calling Brandon now?
Nope.
Oh, that ain't it. Look how long I've been recording.
She missed it.
Look how long I've been recording.
A minute. She been after that tree for a minute. More than a minute.
No, before that, because we were playing.
Get it, girl. Get it. Attack.
2 minutes. Okay, that's something.
Told you. Look, she's standing for it. Something must be in the tree that she won't. Or she always do that.
That's my first time. That's my first time seeing Meek do that.
Meek. Why do you keep saying Meek?
She's not.
Oh, she back.
Man, my first time seeing her do
Oh,
that.
she fell on her leg. Aww.
Her leg already hurt.
Nah, it look like it hurting more.
Okay, I'm calling Brandon now.